everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video, as you can see, my kitchen's been a little bit neglected for the last couple of days, and I thought I'd just share with you my cleaning process. It's just going to be a quick clean just to basically get rid of all the crap and the rubbish, and hopefully on the weekend I'm going to film a reorganization of my kitchen as well. I've been in my kitchen now, well, we've been in our house for just over a year now, so there's a few things that I just want to change around in my kitchen because it's not quite working. So I'll hopefully have that video, well, I'll film that video on the weekend and hopefully have that video out to you pretty soon. And also a part of this cleaning video will be getting rid of all my Halloween decorations now as well, and giving everything a good clean before I start prepping for decorating for Christmas. So yeah, I'll time lapse this now so you can see the whole process. So let's get started.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
nearly finished. Now I've left it pretty bare. Hopefully the lighting's all right. I've left it pretty bare so that I can start my Christmas decorations. So what I intend to do this weekend is, obviously because I've still got to do all of this area as well, taking down decorations, and yeah, they've got some washing hanging up there. So all of that needs to be done as well. So this week and this weekend, I'm going to be concentrating on just taking down all the Halloween decorations, giving everything a good clean, reorganizing some cupboards, especially this kitchen. So if you're wanting to see me reorganize my kitchen, that video, like I said, will be up this weekend. So yeah, basically for the next week and weekend, I'll be just cleaning and reorganizing everything, taking all my decorations down, preparing the house to start decorating for Christmas. So it looks very bare at the moment compared to what it normally does. And I think my husband said he actually prefers it this way, but I like decorations. So that's all the kitchen done, all the floors nice and mopped again. Got all the butlers pantry here. It's pretty bare. Well, it's not so bare, but yeah, there's no extra Christmas decorations up at the moment, so I'll be doing that. And then the pantry, all nice and clean again. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing all those other clean with me videos and reorganize with me videos, which will be coming, well, it'll probably be the next few videos. That's pretty much what I'll be doing. And then straight after that, we'll be starting to decorate and do some DIYs for Christmas. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I'm about to have some dinner now. I think the hubby's bought some nice prawns for dinner. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I need you to listen, I need